Hello class. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. In the previous session we have completed our chapter up to we have completed page 5. We have completed this. You have done it as your homework. Now today we'll do page number 6. So here it is. Listen and identify. Listen and identify the common and proper noun. We have to identify common and proper noun. I have told you that the common noun starts with small letter. It starts with small letter. And the proper noun start with the capital letter. Clear? It start with the capital letter. So, now tell me India. I is capital. So, what it will be? It will be proper noun. Write P here. Then, Red Fort. R is capital. What it will be? It will be proper noun. Write P here. Cadbury. C is capital. What it will be? Very good. It will be proper noun. Write P here. Rose. It is small letter. What it will be? It will be common noun. Write C here. Again shark. What it will be? Common noun. Write C here. Doll. What it will be? Common noun. Write C here. Again August. A is capital. What it will be? Proper noun. Write P here. Sachin Tendulkar. It is with S. Capital. It will be proper noun. Write P here. Museum. M is small. Write C here. Tomato. T is small. It will be common noun. Write C here. Ice cream. I is small. What it will be? Common noun. Write C here. Again Christmas. C is capital. What it will be? Proper noun. Write P here. Clear everyone? Now moving on. Think and write. Write common nouns and proper nouns for the pictures from the given ones. Here the names are given. We have to find out common noun, proper noun. The first one is who is he? He is a boy. So boy will write in common noun. Proper noun, what is his name? His name is Amit. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now again here. Next what it is? It is mobile phone. Write mobile phone here as a common noun. Mobile phone will be common noun. Which mobile phone it is? Of Sony. So S will be capital. He is who? A dog. What it is name? Goldie. So G will be capital and dog D will be small. He is who? Baby. And what is name? Sonu. So write baby and Sonu here. It is what? A hospital. Right? Hospital. It is what? City hospital. Right? Here city hospital. And here write hospital. Clear? Here write hospital. Then write here Eid and here festival. Then write here Abhinav Vendra and here shooter. Written. Write here Red Fort and here monument. Clear? This way you have to fill it up. Clear everyone? Now moving on to the next page. Think and match. Match common noun with proper noun. Now we have to match common noun with the proper noun. Like lion is a common noun and Sher Khan. Okay, now river. What it will be? River names? Very good. It will be Gangas. Match with Gangas. Then monument. Which monument? Taj Mahal. Match it with Taj Mahal. Now, it is country. Country, Japan. Match with Japan. Day. Day will be Monday. And month. Month will be March. Match it with March. Festival. It will be Dussehra. Actor. Who will be actor? Shah Rukh Khan. Colors. Chameleon. Name of the colors? Chameleon. Father of the nation? Who? Mahatma Gandhi. So, you will match it like this. Clear, everyone? Lion is already matched with Sher Khan. River, Gangas. Monument, Taj Mahal. Country, Japan. Day, Monday. Month, March. Festival, Dussehra. Actor, Shah Rukh Khan. Colors, Chameleon. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Clear? Now, moving on. Think and write. Look at the following picture. Circle as many common nouns as you can. Then complete the following word. Now we have to find out the common noun from here. Common noun. Clear? We have to find out the common noun. Not the proper noun. Common noun. So first it is given for you. It is platform. It is a common noun. It is not told which platform. So platform. Next, what is seen? One man is standing. You can write here father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Right? Father here. Then one lady you will see standing here. Who is she? Mother. Right? Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Right? Mother. You are seeing one baby girl is also there. So, she is what? Daughter. Right? D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. One boy is also there. So, write son. Who is he? He is a coolie. So, C-O-O-L-I-E. Now, you can see the benches also here. So, write here B-E-N-C-H. One train is also standing right here. T-R-A-I-N. Then the coolie is carrying what? Luggage. So write here luggage. L-U-G-G-A-G-E. You can see one stall also here, na? So write here tea stall. Stall is written, write T. T-E-A. T. So, in this way we have completed our noun chapter, and here it is said that a naming word is called noun. I told you whatever names are there, they are called naming word. Common noun are common for person, animal, places or thing, like dog, it can be any dog. Cat, it can be any cat. Pencil, it can be any pencil. Clear? It is a common noun. Proper noun names specific person, animals, place or thing. I say that German Shepherd dog. So German Shepherd will be proper noun. I said Natraj pencil. So Natraj will be what? Proper noun. Okay. I say black cat. So black will be a proper noun. Clear, everyone? So in this way I have completed this chapter first. So all of you do this exercise in your book. Clear? And give me the picture. Thank you for listening me. Hope you understood the chapter. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the group. Thank you for listening me. Have a very wonderful day.